Okay, we're going to talk about the pitch out, something that during the game, if we have a feel that a guy's going to try to take a base in a certain situation, we can cheat as a catcher and as a pitcher maybe to get ahead of it and get a better opportunity to throw a runner out. Couple key points for this is, one, we have to make sure everything looks the same. So as a pitcher and as a catcher, things can't drastically change. As a catcher, my setup can't change too drastically from what it normally is. Otherwise, it'll kind of give us a red flag and throw us off. As a pitcher, again, similar, everything has to stay the same. When we're in a pitch out situation, we can't slide step. If we slide step, most good base runners will shut it down, won't steal the base anyway. So again, still have to get the ball to the plate quickly, but we don't want to slide step in doing it. So again, with the catching setup, we're gonna shade. Again, we're not gonna go drastically one side or the other, but we'll shade. We'll start with a right-handed hitter. This is the more difficult one. I want to be in a position to move again. And as a catcher, you always have to understand that you have to be ready for the pitch not being perfect. So I do have to continue to stay in an athletic position. Basically what I'm going to do is, as that pitch comes, I'm going to take my right foot on a 45-degree angle, my left follows, and then there's a little shuffle step in there, which is an extra step than maybe from the other side. But again, as you see, if I'm going to have the same opportunity to throw a guy out on a pitch out as I would on a normal pitch, I need to create ground towards second base. I can't just assume because I'm popping up here, I can throw from back here and still have the same advantage. So I need to create momentum and create some distance towards second base. With the left-handed hitter in, a little bit easier one because it's more of a direct movement. Again, I set up my left foot this time on a 45-degree angle, and then it's just a shuffle and throw. Again, I'm ahead of home plate. I'm using the advantage of starting early. Again, for a pitch out, be in an athletic position for me as a catcher, that's huge. And the pitchers, they need to give up the ball in a timely fashion, but also something that the catcher can handle to make it an actual advantage.